Hello and welcome back to a brand new Project 46 video. Today I will show you how to replace your windshield cowl on the e46 platform. So let's jump right into action and I'll show you what you will need for this project. As an extra step, I chose to ceramic coat my windshield cowl for a longer lasting deep black finish. I'll tell you more about that later. First you'll need some isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel, as well as some trim removal tools, some kind of tool set or toolbox, and of course the cowl itself. As you can see by the date on the sticker, BMW still produces these and they're not that expensive. Here's the part number so you can buy one for yourself. I'll now put some isopropyl alcohol on the towel in order to fully degrease the cowl and prep it for the ceramic coating. When the cowl is fully prepped, put some ceramic coating on the towel and start rubbing it onto the plastic. This will protect the surface and make it last a little bit longer. And now let's tackle the installation process. Start off by removing the engine bay seals. Just pull on them and they will come right off. Next, remove the cabin air filter housing. First, give these 3 locking tabs a twist and this will release the plastic part protecting the filter. Now remove the filter and reveal the 4 hidden screws holding the housing in place. To remove these screws, grab a T30 Torx bit and unscrew the screws. With all the screws removed, you can pull off the whole assembly and put it onto the side. And now the only thing preventing the cowl from coming off are the windshield wiper arms. But before removing them, it's a good idea to mark the positioning of the wipers with some masking tape. And now you're ready to remove your wiper arms. So pop off the plastic caps hiding away the windshield wiper nuts and unscrew these using a 15mm socket. With the nuts removed, the wiper arms come right off. So put the arms somewhere safe. And now you're ready to pull the cowl off. So now start tugging on the thing like there's no tomorrow to release or break the plastic clips. Now pop the remaining clips out using a plastic tool, which won't scratch the paint. And now let's do some cleaning while we're in here. It's now time to retrace every previous step in reverse and reassemble everything. And there you have it. Now you know how to replace your windshield cowl. If you like this video, please consider dropping a like or even subscribing. And if you have questions, just put them down in the comments. Until next time, this has been Project 46.